Ever wonder what's really inside your favorite snacks? You may want to start checking labels, because some ingredients are quietly disappearing. Welcome to the clean label movement, a growing push to remove artificial chemicals, dyes, and additives from our food. And in 2025, it's going mainstream. What is the clean label movement? Think of it as ingredient transparency meets public pressure. Consumers want food with ingredients they can pronounce and trust. And now big brands are responding fast. The focus? Cutting out artificial dyes like red 40 and yellow 5. Titanium dioxide once used in Skittles. Harmful preservatives. Industrial seed oils like soybean and canola. High fructose corn syrup. Why now? It started with growing research and growing distrust. Some food dyes are banned in Europe but still legal in the US. Others have been linked to hyperactivity in children or inflammation in the body. Then came legislation. California passed a law banning several additives in 2023. New York and Illinois are following closely. Even Congress is feeling the heat. Meanwhile, online trends like seed oil-free and clean food challenge are blowing up. Brands are changing quickly. Major companies don't want to be left behind. Here's who's reformulating in 2025. Kraft Heinz is revamping sauces and packaged meals. McCormick is cleaning up its spice blends. General Mills is adjusting cereals. Even Starbucks is phasing out artificial colors in flavored syrups. Why? Because you asked for it. What to look for on your next grocery trip? Look for labels like no artificial colors, no seed oils, non-GMO, no high fructose corn syrup. Naturally flavored, but always read the fine print. Be cautious of greenwashing, though some products look clean, but still contain lab-made additives in disguise. Final takeaway. The food industry is changing, and it's because consumers are demanding better. Read your labels. Know your ingredients. And stay tuned to VytaByte for more smart food updates